Hello all, this is the first and only video for the number tab. First we have 4 panes to count your storefront or curtain wall openings. We also have a generic glass RFQ. Next is the CGS instructional video library. Once I upload them to YouTube, I will then embed them onto cgs.xyz. I'll probably make this a link right to the library. And there would be links here for each one individually. And then also I have the Calk calculator. Previously I had it as its own tab, but there's no use in having that, so I just stuck it on there in the end. So the counter is a alpha and numeric means of counting if you're doing floor plans or elevations. We have the typical clear, hide, and resize buttons down here. So that'll clear that one. This will hide it. And we're going to hide 4 too. What I like to do is, if it's a larger project, I will do my counts on the first floor. You know, I have 45, that's a little much. I'll plug it in there, and then what I'll do is go on the elevations and do my counts and ensure that they are the same down here. So this will count the amount of storefront openings on the first floor, and this will count the total amount of A. All right. I'll just clear them just to demonstrate. This one will be over here. It's tough. The buttons kind of collapse on each other. It's tough to get them to get out of the way. Individual totals is like that, but unhide will unhide all 4. Resize are individual. Okay, next we have here a generic glass RFQ. You can plug in whatever you want here. The automated ones on all the other sheets will take the slash and get rid of the inch, because unfortunately it confuses basically any Microsoft program. It will put the little squiggly in here. I don't even know where it is. I think we'll get rid of that. I made it so this isn't carried over in the name of the RFQ. So you'll have to do it manually. I'll just demonstrate quickly here. So RFQ do name the job, and then you just put in, 1 squiggly 2. Or however you want to do it. Just to show you, I improved the RFQ to center it nicely. This was too wide to make it on one sheet, but I was able to, sorry. I think I'm going to go back through, here's the, so it looks really nice. It centers it and everything. And that, I can fix that line down there. There should be a line on the bottom. So I think I'm going to go back to the miscellaneous and center that. It'll be really easy just adding that verbiage into the macro. But I was able to get this nicely figured. If any of the RFQs are not centered nicely, let me know and I can do it. I'm going to do a sweep. So I don't really see a reason why you would need to include this, because I added these columns. So you have 2 shapes. You can put whatever you want. So this will equal that, will equal this. So I'll just do a location A, 2436. Whoops. And then if it's going to be shape 1, you would basically just put 1 in there, and then it's saying that there's 5. And then shape 2, you can do 1 here. You can also hide them. So in this case, we would be hiding the cutouts. And then you can resize. And unhide will unhide all of them. So I made them so you can kind of tell the purples away, apart from the blues, because they do collapse on each other. It's kind of annoying. So I don't see why you would necessarily use that very often unless you have a crazy one. And obviously you can do as many as you want. So reset, once again, you can put whatever you want in here, and then reset will put it back to the function figuring from here. Polish is also, you can put anything you want, and then, 1, 2, that still does react to it. Video library, I put a lot of work into this. Make sure you take a look at it. Initial setup, we'll go through a lot of Easy Proposal. I think I'm going to do some more videos on Easy Proposal, maybe put them at the end. I haven't really finalized the library as of yet. There are videos on there but they're old. I did a pretty big overhaul recently, and I'm basically redoing all the videos. I also released a user's manual that is unfortunately the old one, but there's a lot of nitty-gritty in there with good screen captures that kind of walks you through verbally to really get a sense of what's going on behind the scenes with it. Calk calculator. I have here interior storefront is quarter by quarter. If you're using 3/8 for interior storefront, you can change it to feet per sausage. So here's the 74, 33. So these are taken from here. Here's the 33. Current wall is 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. So you can adjust this and move these around, or just this is not connected to anything. So it's just if you have 1,200 feet at 1/8 by 7/8, you can figure that in. So it's a call calculator that is not connected to anything. And that is it for this. Thank you for watching.